Like this girl who came to me, she said, Antino, I can't say no at all. Can you help? I looked at her and I said, you liar. Of course you can say no. And she said, no, Antino, I really can't say no. Now, so that's an example of where she has that ability. She just doesn't have that choice when she's around some friends. And what I do is match the following then, take this response and attach it to the situations in her mind. But some capabilities take time because you may not have exposure or experience to it at all. Then what happens is we can sow the seeds now. They would start to develop in the months to come, or when you come back next time, or when you put your attention to those specific things, right? I hope that I will sing like Harini or someday, but I know that if I have to, I have to commit my time and practice to that. So a lot of people also think of all of these things that I'm saying as magic. Because I say it this way, they think that you do a capability and next day the capability is there. No, it's not like that. So if I have to become good at something, I'm capable of becoming good at something, but I still have to put that dedication. So whatever I'm teaching here is not a way to eliminate the dedication and focus. It's a way to get maximum results from that dedication and focus.